Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Aji Rizky Kanedi dari kelas Robotika semester 4. Di sini saya akan membahas sebuah jurnal, yaitu Delivery Robot Cloud Platform Based on Microservice. Introduction. In 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic unraveled the weak points in the global supply chains for goods. With the rapid development of autonomous driving technology, the application scenario of robots are more and more extensive. Needs of the delivery robot cloud platform. First, calculate unloading needs. Robot unloading computing depend on the cloud platform to achieve. 2. Service development needs. The modern robot control system is usually a logical design for distributed system based on the component. 3. Architecture design. The microservice architecture is a cloud-native architecture whose goal is to split the application into a series small microservice. Delivery robot cloud platform based on microservice. First, physical layer. The physical layer is the hardware. Here is the provides infrastructure resource including servers, storage, and network resource. 2. Communication interface layer. The communication layer pre-installs the Ubuntu system and development tools and integrate the ROS to realize the interaction between the robot and the cloud platform. 3. Micro application layer. The micro application layer consists of a number of functionally independent and well-defined service particles that communicate with alike with RESTful protocol. Jadi micro application layer-nya ada, pertama ada Zool, kedua ada konsul, ketiga ada ribbon, keempat ada message bus, kelima ada config center. Lalu di sini ada business layer. The business layer encapsulates resource abstraction and virtualization into service deployed on the cloud platform to provide software service to user, which is the top level of the cloud. User, di sini ada usernya, di situ application development. Lalu ini ada delivery robotnya. Lalu web, di sini business layer. Di business layer di sini ada autonomous parking, lane keeping, automatic following, offline calculation, data storage, and map drawing. Baru di sini ada selanjutnya di sini ada micro application layer. Lalu communication interface layer. Communication interface layer using Ubuntu ROS. Physical layer. Physical layer terdiri dari Freeport Cloud, OpenStack, Docker, Container, and Kubernetes. Jadi pada gambar ini merupakan figur dari delivery robot cloud platform based on microservice. 4. CI or CD of robot cloud platform. CI or CD component. The cloud platform adopt the architecture of microservice to design the encapsulation of the service and doctor used to build the microservice of the platform. Lalu yang digunakan itu platformnya Kubernetes, Jenkins, Harbor, and Pipeline. CI or CD process, as shown in figure 2, the code of the algorithm is sent to the GitLab warehouse. 5. Workflow of platform in delivery sense. The operation flow of autonomous parking is shown on in figure. First, the parking environment is detected by sensors such as camera, and the parking sign and parking space are detected. 2. According to the information uploaded by the sensor, the effective parking space information and the relative position of the vehicle are obtained, thereby determining the initial position of the parking. 3. The control unit model the real-time environment based on the sensor information, generate a motion path, and control the robot to automatically move the parking space without collision. 6. Diskusi. Dari gambar kedua ini merupakan CI atau CD dari kode CD-nya. Kode algoritma, commit kode, GitLab, full code compile, fuel the error. Di sini ada flowchart-nya, flowchart dari autonomous parking. Gambaran dari body robotnya. Lalu sini ada flow information between robot and cloud platform. Ini hubungan robot dengan cloud platforms-nya. Ini maps are stored in the cloud. Lalu sini ada delivery on the prop to design parking spot. Number 1, call detect lane service when the stop signs and detect. Number 2, call the control lane and detect parking service to find the correct parking spot when the dash line is detect. 3, call the control decider and control parking service to park the robot into the parking spot when the parking spot is detected. 7. Conclusion and prospect. A delivery robot cloud platform based on microservice is proposed in this paper, and through delivery science experiment it can be concluded that purpose platform architecture is feasible. Itu aja sedikit pembahasan saya tentang jurnal delivery robot cloud platform based on microservice. Saya Aji Rizky Kanedi. Thanks for watching.